August 23, 1973. A masked man with a submachine gun walks into a bank in Stockholm, Sweden. He fires at the ceiling and screams, "The party begins." For the next 6 days, 4 bank employees will be held hostage in a cramped vault. But what happened inside that vault would change psychology forever. Because when the ordeal was over, the hostages did something unbelievable. They hugged their captors. They defended them to the police. One woman, Kristen in Mark, even told the Prime Minister, "I am not afraid of the robbers. I am afraid of you." How is this possible? How can a victim develop positive feelings for their abuser? This bizarre, terrifying phenomenon is called Stockholm Syndrome. And it's not about love, it's about a profound glitch in our survival instinct. To understand it, you have to understand what happens to your brain under extreme, inescapable threat. Your rational mind, the prefrontal cortex, basically goes offline. The primal, emotional part of your brain, the amygdala, takes over. It's pure survival mode. Your world shrinks to the size of that room, that vault. Your life is no longer in your hands. It's in the hands of the person who put you there. They control everything, when you eat, when you drink, when you breathe, and whether you live or die. Now, imagine in this state of absolute terror, your captor does something small. Something almost human. He gives you a blanket when you're cold. He unties your hands so you can eat. He tells you he won't hurt you. To a brain starved for any sign of hope, this isn't a small gesture. It's a lifeline. The brain, in its desperate attempt to survive, makes a critical error. It latches onto this tiny act of kindness and magnifies it. The source of your terror is now also perceived as the source of your survival. The brain can't hold these two contradictory ideas at once: this person will kill me and this person is keeping me alive. This is called cognitive dissonance. To resolve this mental conflict, the brain does the unthinkable: it rewires itself. It starts to downplay the terror and amplify the kindness. It reframes the captor, not as a monster, but as a flawed savior. This is a survival strategy. If I can get them to like me, if I see their side, maybe they'll let me live. This dynamic isn't just limited to bank robberies. Milder forms of this trauma bonding can be seen in other abusive situations. In some domestic violence cases, victims defend their abusers. In cults, followers show unwavering loyalty to manipulative leaders. The core mechanism is the same: an imbalance of power, isolation, and perceived acts of kindness from the abuser. Cases like Patty Hearst, the heiress who joined her captors in robbing banks, or J.C. Duggar, who was held captive for 18 years, show just how powerful this psychological mechanism can be. It's a testament to the mind's incredible, and sometimes terrifying, ability to adapt in order to survive. So, Stockholm Syndrome isn't love. It's not a rational choice. It is a bizarre, paradoxical, and unconscious survival strategy. It's the brain, trapped in an impossible situation, creating a fiction to keep the body alive. It's a powerful reminder that in the face of absolute horror, our minds will do whatever it takes to find a sliver of hope, even if it means finding it in our own captor.